Leaving for an engagement party in 30 minutes and I'm not ready at all, but I'm gonna quickly try to. I think I can speed run this makeup and I don't even have an outfit. Concealer, we have eyebrows. I will pluck my nose hairs as well. 150 people going. I know like 20 of them, but that's okay. It means we can make friends. If there's like shy people in the corner, I love going up to them and talking to them because it brings them out of their shell, and that's like my favorite part. I still can't go to a party without someone coming with me. As confident as I am, you will not catch me walking into a party by myself. That is illegal, I think, and dangerous. Look at the mascara before and after. How crazy is that? I got this on Uber Eats like a year ago. I said that in a TikTok, like I just got this on Uber Eats, and then Uber Eats used that in an ad. I got this glitter a couple years ago at Sephora, and the girl that was there was the prettiest girl I've ever seen in my life. I still think about her. Okay, let's go into my wardrobe. I have 11 minutes to find an outfit and then we have to go. I know what some of the people are wearing. They're wearing like these beautiful gowns and stuff. I don't have a gown. What the hell is this? If this dress was tight, I think it'd be cute. Like, look, it's not. These were my only two options, but this does not fit me. That's okay. I can just keep looking. I have 4 minutes. I also have this, but I'm not comfortable. And if you're not comfortable, don't wear it. I think I'm doing it. Look at this. This is me. I think it's boring. I'm sorry. I tried. You watched me try. I got myself flowers today and you're just below them under the vase. Look how cute they are. I always say you should buy yourself flowers if you can, or buy yourself something small and treat yourself the way you would treat someone that you love so much. If I were to say like, oh, think of like the person you love the most, would you get them flowers? Yes. Means you have to get yourself flowers as well. Okay, this is the look. With the earring. It's just silver just because my shoes are silver, yeah. Bye. We have a wardrobe malfunction. Mama's helping me with some spray and wire makeup on my dress. Fit check, give me a spin, Mama. You look so cute. Oh, check, give me a spin, give me a spin. Nice, quick. That's us, get in. Fit check, spin. Nice.
Spin.
Fit check, spin.
Spin.
Wow,